Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, remote trunk release, steel wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.